Here's an annoying problem. When you open and close a drawer, the contents inside slide back and forth, making an awful racket. Now the solution is usually to install some type of cushioned drawer or shelf liner. Now when I've put this in by itself, what I find is over time it gets pretty badly wrinkled. Now they do make this material with a sticky back. The problem with that though is it's very difficult to get out and it makes cleaning the drawer nearly impossible. I've got a better solution. The first step is to measure the inside dimensions of the drawer. And then transfer those measurements to a piece of foam core or poster board. Next, I want to cut this material to size, and you'll notice that I'm working on a piece of fiberboard right here. That's so that the knife stays sharp when it cuts through this material. I make sure I'm using a sharp blade and take 2 or 3 passes for a clean, smooth cut. When I'm finished cutting, I do a test fit. This drawer liner comes in a wide range of colors. I roll out a section, place the foam core on top, and cut the liner slightly wider and longer than the board. Now next I'll be gluing the liner to the board, and I'll be using a spray adhesive. But to keep from making a mess, I'll first want to put down a little bit of paper here. It's best to hold the can about 10 to 12 inches from the surface and keep it in motion with smooth side-to-side sweeps. I give the adhesive a few moments to get tacky, then lay the board on top and press down firmly. Now, with the liner held firmly in place by the adhesive, I trim off the excess material. Here too, it's important to use a sharp blade. When I'm finished, I drop the board and liner into the drawer. As you can see, this is a very snug fit. And that is good, but it could be a problem if you want to be able to take this out to clean it. Now, in order to make this bottom easier to take out for cleaning, I'm going to make a pull tab using this piece of ribbon. This cyanoacrylate, or CA glue, is very fast drying. I'll put a bit on the back of the foam core, then press the ribbon in place using a putty knife to avoid getting the adhesive on my fingers. And this is an accelerator, which will make it dry even faster. Next, I fold the ribbon, glue the opposite end in place, and cut off the excess. Now, the drawer bottom is easy to remove by simply gripping the tab and pulling it upward. Well, I'd say this drawer has been greatly quieted down, and it's a good bit better looking too.